Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? It is good to know, no, kung okay ra ba mo. It's because makapikto na siya sa tong pagkat-on. And I see almost here naman, no, sa tong Google Classroom. So, na Google Classroom tayo, it's because based on our survey, kamo tanan ay mayo nga cellphone and good internet connection. That is why. So, our activity for today is good for 1 week. That means karon man ko naghatag sunod semana sa atong schedule sa dinyong ipas. So learning area is for grade 10 and learning competency is illustrate an arithmetic sequence. So the code is N10AL-LB-1. So but before we proceed to our topic for today, before we proceed to our discussion, let me first share my screen. Nakita ra class? Nakita ra. Thank you for the respond. And so let me first discuss the learning objectives. So after going through this module, you are expected to identify or define arithmetic sequence. Next is identify the succeeding term in the sequence. And lastly, determine the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. So, I just want to ask anybody, kinsay na ay bisag gamay lang nga kanang idea about what is arithmetic sequence? Anyone? Don't be shy. Okay, thank you, Miss Moania. Okay. Arithmetic sequence is a set of numbers, a sequence. You have an idea. So, our time is kanang kanang hiktik ba no, kanang medyo gamay, shortening ta karon. So let me give you a brief definition and example of arithmetic sequence. So an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding. Remember the word adding? A constant called common difference. Example, I have here 9, 16, 23, and 37. Is this an arithmetic sequence? What do you think? Sige, di sa tampong tanon. Kana siya. So, ako the answer. Arithmetic sequence to siya. And, remember nun, ingan ko nga adding. So, like for example, 9 and 16. Unsa atong i-add sa 9 nga ang resulta 16? Yes, 7. 7. 16 plus 7. 23. Sakto no. 23 plus 7. 30. Sakto. And 30 plus 7, 37. So, this is an arithmetic sequence. It's because kanang a series of numbers, a sequence of numbers is obtained by adding a common difference. Ano sabi common difference? 7. So, ang katong 7 nga atong gi-add mo to siya tawag og common difference. Do you understand? Kasabot ra? Okay. Maghatag og line example. Just give you a sequence. Di sa mo tanong sa kuninyo, pa-identify ta mo kung sequence ba na sequence ako niya hatag. Identify ta mo kung arithmetic ba na siya or dili. So 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. Is this an arithmetic sequence? Nainingunog no, nasa ningunog arithmetic. Sige, bawi sa no, arithmetic sequence daw siya. Yes, it is an arithmetic sequence. Can you identify what is the common difference? Yes, the common difference is 9. So, nakasabot gid ay mo class no? So, kay nakasabot man mo, let me give you an activity. No? So, kung namoy kalibog ani or kung ganahan pa mo makasabot og mga further ani. So you can search in the internet, and also you can access our references ani. So na dito tanang discussion for you to understand well. Nakalagin na ba mo tanan sa Google Classroom class katong akong gihatag ninyo nga link, nakapa-member na mo adto? O nga na wala pa man ka inday ko Jess. Sige kanang kuan mo internet connection, sige masabot ra si ma'am. Basta ha magpalagi nito kay nandito ang discussion unsa inyo pag-answer. Okay? So and sa kani nga discussion nato is sa inyong activity unya ra ba kay nara ba tay mga materials that we need to kanang kuano the matchsticks na siguro mo ana puspuro o puspuro pen ag paper need mo ana ay nag-answer ninyo ha para ako lang imong daan para maka kuan mo maka anda mo daan ha diha ha makawalit mo puspuro. So read what I need to know on page 1. So katong sa page 1 mao tong ako i-discuss gamay. Understand what's new, what's it on page 3 and 6. And after that you are going to answer what's more, activity 1.1 on page 7. And study pages 8 to 12 and try to solve a short test on what's new item 1 to 5 page 9. So bisan daghan tag activity no pero gagmay ra gid siyang mga items ha. And this is, remember, this is good for 1 week. And karon I think dili kayo mo kanang burden kayo no kay kanang kasagaran sa mga teachers ninyo tag 1 week kasagaran. And answer what's more on page 13. Bisang daghan tag activity na natay pay activity 1.1, activity sabating activity 2 may ana dito pero gagmay ra na siya mga item ha 1 to 5 kasagaran ra gyud. And write all your answers in a short bond paper. That is why you are required to have a paper or bond paper and submit it to our Google Classroom. Nakalagin naman ka tanan. Napausa pero mag-login pa. So dili sad ang inyo balaka kasi sa Google Classroom naara dito kaning akong gipangbasa karon akong i-discuss naara gid sa Google Classroom, okay? Nagets ra ninyo class? Okay, nagets ra man di ay. So kanang ang kaning akong mga activity naka-post ni siya sa Google Classroom ha. And below sa kaning activity, sa post nga activity na ay mga links sa references sa Mathematics 10 module 1 and 2. Gets the class? Okay, nara dito ha, tanawa lang ninyo palihog class kay hektik kay ato nga time class di gid siya madaog discuss nato karon tanan. So mag self study lang sa amo ha na, si ma'am entertain ra gyud kung na may mga kalibog. Di lang gid mauwaw pag-approach, okay? Sige. Kanang see you next meeting. Wa ni mga pangutana. Ay nagets ra gid kaayos lang pagka-bright. So kanang next meeting ha ato ni i-continue atong discussion. Next meeting mag-pretest ako ha. Before pretest ko kung sige di na lang mag-pretest si ma'am. Sige ha, pag-study lang gid mo ha kay next meeting nga ra gyapon sa module nato pakitaan sumpay ra gid sa tong gi-discuss karon. Ang next meeting nato nga discussion pwede mag-advance lang mo class kung may time para inag-discuss nato next meeting largo-largo na tano dili lang kay kumubalik sa uno ba. Sige, thank you so much and goodbye and amping tanan. God bless. The ICT tool that I used is Google Meet. Kay nag-Google Meet ko no hay miganiha para maka-discuss ko nila. And also I used Google Classroom in which adto na akong i-attach ang files, ang references sa sa arithmetic sequence and also the activities, and adto sad nila i-submit ang ilahang mga outputs sa akong mga students. Also nagamit mi group chat or messenger. It's because adto ko mag-update nila sa mga links sa amo ang pwede sa file ma-update ko dito silang mga queries, silang mga questions nako, silang ang nga ipa-clarify nako, and also sa link sa mga mga Google Meet. Ato na akong isend sa among messenger. And also, they can use calculator. It's because ang magana sila dito, no? Example, 9, 18, ang ato ang sequence, 9, 18, 27. Ang magana ko mga students, no, nga, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, madugay na sila. So, they are allowed to use calculator, ha? So, mo to akong mga ICT tools and I'm pretty sure na those ICT tools can make our students or makatabang ni nila nga mga ICT tools sa ilang pagkaton sa among discussion ganiya or sa kada adlaw-adlaw nga pag-eskwela. Thank you. Hi class, good morning again. How are you? Yes, good ramong tanan. So it is good, no? So before we proceed to our discussion for today, so let me first discuss what are the learning objectives. So first, at the end of this lesson, the student will be able to illustrate a geometric sequence and find the common ratio of geometric sequence and some terms. So you are going to, like an arithmetic sequence, you are going to illustrate and find the common ratio. Di na difference, ka difference is arithmetic sequence to siya, ha, and some terms. So maybe ikaw niya maka create ta og mga motong expected nga makatunan sa mga bata, and I hope ato ni siyang ma-attain. So di ba last week naghisgot man ta og arithmetic sequence. So in your previous lesson, you have learned about the basic concept of arithmetic sequence, di ba, last week, and which is relevant to a better understanding of geometric sequence. So unsa din siya nga geometric sequence, ma'am? Sige, makagisgot ana. Uy, napakay pa common ratio, ma'am, or ba may kahibaw ana. So kung mo gani mag-discuss ta karon niya, kinsa may nay idea diha unsa nang geometric sequence, bisa gamay lang. Sige, naglibog pa. Sige, sabton sa ni ma'am. Sige, ako lang muhatag o definition sa geometric sequence. So, geometric sequence is a sequence where each term is found by multiplying. Diba sa arithmetic adding, iya multiplying or dividing the same value from one term to the next. We called this value common ratio. Sa arithmetic, common difference. Example, 1. Sequence niya, 3, 9, 27. What do you think the common ratio? Kung ingon tag common ratio, mao na siya nga ato ang i-multiply. Common nga ato i-multiply. Or common nga gi-multiply nga no nakuha ng sequence. Kaya unsa man? Wow, very good. 3, sakto ba 3? Ato daw i-check be. 1 times 3. 3 times, ano to? 3 times 3. 9. 9 times 3. 27. Oh, sakto gid kay mo class. Very good. So, unsa may tawag atong 3 gani? Common ratio. Very good. So, hanas gid kayo oda kay related sa kuno arithmetic, pari-parihara siya og kanang saan pag-identify, no? Pari-parihara gid, adding lang siya, multiplying, and common ratio, common difference, no? So there are important technologies, notation, and symbols that you must remember. So common ratio is the amount between each item in geometric sequence. Common ratio is katong nagmultiply nila, kung unsa nga number ang nagmultiply nila, no, sa sequence. So first term ang pinakauna nga, example 1, 3, 9, 27, 1 ang common ang first terms. So mo na to siyang mga terms na diri. General term is known as the end term of the sequence. It always represented by an. And geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying. Mo na ang gisgutan ka ganiha. So basic ra gyapon na. Basic ra kay na ma'am eh. Gikatugan, gipiyong-piyongan naman gani ko ni kuan, gusila. Gari siyempre ta. Sige, basic ra kayo, no. Nay pangutana? Ay, di na mo mangutana kay narasad sa Google Classroom. Nag-advance mo no, di ba interrelated ra ni sila. Ang mao day dali ra kay mo makatubog. Very good class nag-advance gyud mo no. So, di gina wag ta nga activity kada human og discussion di gina wag ta activity kay mao na siya mo measure kung nakakatanda gid mo ha. Sige ni sabot ra man di ay mga very good gid mo class. So for today's activity no sa discussion nato nga geometric sequence. So kanang kailangan ng paper and pencil, paper and pen rather. Naara, very good. So read and study what I need to know on page 4 found in our module. Ha? Sa atong Google Classroom nag-send kog module dito. Grade 10 module sa grade 10. Nakakita raman mo no kay naka-advanced study gani mo no. Wag na read and study what I need to know on page 4 found in a module. Sunod, answer what I know on page 5. Don't worry kag mera kani sa mga class ni sayo na gid kayo. Study, illustrate geometric sequence what's in on page 6. Okay? Answer short activities 1, 2, 3, 4 on pages 6 to 8. Gagmera kayo ni siya nga class ha. Dahil lang siya activity but kasagaran sa activity is tagling mara ka buok. Gagmera kayo ni class. And study what's it on 8 to 10 and answer activity 4 and 5 found in pages 9 to 11 and answer assessment number 1 to 10 on page 14. Gets ra? Don't worry ha kay sa atong Google Classroom, sa atong Google Drive natay Google Drive folder, di ba? Sa atong Google Drive folder akong i-upload dito ang references. Okay? Ang kuansad ang PDF file gyud sa ato ang questions. Akong mga activity nga ipabuhat ninyo nara ma-found sa atong Google Drive. And also sa Google Classroom ako siyang gi-attach sa dito ha. Bisag asa accessible ninyo or mas prefer ninyong i-open. And also sa group chat mag-update lang pod ko kung unsang mag-remind ko ninyo nga ting pass na kay andi in town. Timeliness is kanang kuan na siya. And also you can use calculator no kay medyo basic ni siya, basic ra ni siya nga discussion, basic ra gid kay ni. But ang basic kung gamitan natong technology mas mo basic pa gid na siya. Mindset. Mato kuan you can use calculator class but if you want to kanang kuan gyud no sa inyong mga kaalam gyud magsaligid mo sa inyong kaalam without using any technology, you may do so. You may do your kuan sad kana inyong prefer. Okay, that's all no. Thank you and any questions? Yes, wa na. Sige, thank you so much class and see you next meeting. Goodbye. Hello. So my ICT tools that I use is Google Drive, Google Classroom, Group Chat, Messenger, and Calculator. So again, Google Drive is for kanang ato na ko gi-send ang mga references sa grade 10 and Google Classroom also ato na ko gi-post ang ilang answeranan and also they will send their answers on the Google Classroom and also group chats for the updates and Calculator for their calculation. Thank you so much and God bless. Hi class, good morning again. How are you? Yes, good ramong tanan. So it is good no. So as I've reviewed, as I've checked your output about geometric sequence, very good as in super na jud mo class. Dali ra gid mo kat-on no bisag self study lang sa tuno dili kay nakuha na ko elaborate sa Google Classroom. But you answer gid no sa activity nato very well. Very well jud kay perfect jud mo. No, sayo na rin panghatag ni ma'am no. Sayo na rin kayo. So, for today is let's continue about atong next week kanang learning competency no atong next week lesson plan. So, it is also good for 1 week no, same as usual, mathematics 10. And our learning competency is different a geometric sequence from arithmetic sequence M10 AL-1D-2. So, kanang medyo basic lang gyapon ni siya no kay ato orang i-differentiate i i-describe na to sa ilang mga differences sa arithmetic and geometric sequence. So checking of attendance, please please kanang comment lang mo sa inyo hang name diha, kay ako ra nang i-check letter ha, kay running out of time na, kay late na kasud si ma'am, no? So pasensya na gid kayo class ha, I have an emergency gid. So kinsa may makabikay na magita sa geometric o sa arithmetic sequence, kinsa man class diha bi ang isog kaayo nga mo share sa iyahang mga learnings about geometric and arithmetic sequence. Sige, Monica. Wow, very good, Monica. So Monica has a very excellent idea, or nakahatag siya na itong pinakanindot nga, di siya pinakanindot yun na nga kanang naka-differentiate di siya pagmayo sa arithmetic and geometric sequence. But bisag naghatag si Monica gingana, mag-discuss gyapon ko gamay ha. And same as usual, you can access the references na akong ihatag ninyo later on. Okay. So arithmetic sequence. So ang ilang differences are, in your previous lessons, you have known the definition of arithmetic and geometric sequence, right? And ako siyang i-differentiate diri, bisan naghatag si Monica ganiya o definition, but ako sa discuss elaborate diri. So an arithmetic sequence is every term after the first is obtained by adding constant called common difference. And example of formula is an equals a1 plus close parenthesis n plus 1 times d. So geometric sequence is obtained by, kung mingon tag arithmetic by adding, ang geometric sad is by multiplying or dividing, or ang arithmetic sequence is by adding or subtracting. Ang geometric sequence sad is multiplying and dividing. So usa na sa differences. So ang ma-obtain nato nga by adding atong ma-obtain is common difference may tawag. So sa geometric sequence sad ang tawag sa ana common ratio. Mo na silang ilasad kalahian. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. Mo na to gisigutan, no? Common difference is a constant. Ang common difference ang tawag sa katong constant nga number nga gi-add na na-obtain to nga sequence, no? Sakto ba? And uncommon ratio sad kay katong constant nga gi-multiply or gi-divide ato nga sequence, na given sequence. So an arithmetic sequence, balik-balik man ni balik mo ra to siya, differences nila. So gets ra mo class? Gets ra. Kay buko nga ka-gets gid mo, kay di-discuss na tong arithmetic and geometric, so nakasabot ra gid mo. So di na ta magdugay-dugay, ma'am. Laro na activity dayon. So don't worry ha, nara na sa kwan. Read and study what's in. Answer activity 1, what's new, number 1 to 5 on page 17. Gemma, 1 to 5 ra class. Study what's it on page 17. And answer what's me activity 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is 25 items all in all. Di mabala ka 25 items sa tanan. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Activity 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pero pila ra ka items? 25 items ra ang tulo. Answer what I have learned and what I can do. And assessment on page 19 and 20. Excuse me. If you need clarification about the discussion found in our modules, please don't hesitate ha kung naglibog mo. Pero kay feel na ko kamuro dyan mo kung naglibog class, kay almost ang inyong arithmetic and geometric sequence perfect dyan mo. So nagamit ta karong Google Meet, kay na Google Meet ta, and Google Classroom, kay ato na to isend ang inyong mga references, inyong mga related videos nga kung ihatag. Diba sa geometric sequence naghatag ko related videos? Kung naglibog mo, adto ninyo, i-click lang to ninyo ha, ibalik to ninyo, discuss. And also messenger for the updates and calculator as well. So, thank you so much. Thank you, sir, for listening to her. Bitaw ka nang, dili na lang ko tabang akong lesson plan for grade 10. I hope you will learn something, class, and thank you so much. References na ko is, naka-attach lang pod sa kada ko answer. Naroon na siya references nga nakabutang. Thank you.